you already mentioned there's another requirement, right?
Yeah, I've been to the city corporation.
This is not the first, am I right?
No, Amara is the one.
Saan ka sa'yo?
She born in Philippines. Our birth certificate is from Philippines.
Yung kanina dito? Wala pa. Wala.
So the problem is right now, they ask their mother birth certificate from Bangladesh. So I asked them, they told us that some birth certificate the Philippines.
Boys first, boys.
Yeah, that's why I also heard that how come. They said like you need to get something from the Philippines and you need to use this number for the birth certificate.
It's the only first, it's the first thing that I know about. I only heard first registration of birth. Sure. Oh, we can say Filipino. 2 hours. Kasi unahin pa kayo eh. Last kami yung last. Ate.
And this is you can
Ito.
how come hindi I can do it, but maybe I don't have before.
Because just tell them that the embassy didn't issue birth certificate. If they need that one,
They don't give a number of her mother, like my wife, birth certificate, Bangladeshi birth certificate. Like, according to her Filipino birth certificate, they will transfer it into something Bangladesh birth certificate. And then they give a number, and that's not right.
she cannot transfer it to Bangladesh because she's still a Filipino. Unless she may be,
That's why I asked them how come like she's a Filipino, and it's not easy to become her
just
Bangladesh.
live with them. Because
They tell it's a strict law now, they will change the law.
I'm not sure when was the last time that we have received application for I cannot assure.
Okay naman kami.
Ako pala.
Oh yeah, sila. Dito lang sa
I'll
office.
just give you the what I don't have.
Yung sa pinakagilid si Dan.
That's I'll be the one answering.
Mommy, it will be 8:41 you Lara, right?
Yeah. Yeah, check Baba na tayo, ate? Yes. Hello? Si ano, oy? Tara na. Asa na yung kasabay natin? Tayo na, baba na. Tara na. Tara na. Yung asawa niya nagdadasal pa. Sa HBC. Baba muna tayo doon. Mag-exercise sa baba. Tayo natin pala. Ay, tapos na. Tapos na. This one is tapos na. Uwi na kayo? Uwi na kayo?
Sa'yo mo yung iyahatin sa malayo, ano?
Tala. O, kami yun. Amo, tulong. Pwede na.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I'm going home. Their house?
Egon.
এই
ইউনিভার্সিটিতে এখনই তো